Are you ready to take control and rock your automation to the next level? Stop settling for limited workflows and execution caps. For high-value, low-cost n8n automation with limitless possibilities, you need Hostinger's self-hosted n8n VPS hosting. Here's the lineup. Hostinger offers VPS self-hosted n8n hosting in 4 tiers: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. Purchase any of these plans using my exclusive partnership checkout link and you'll unlock an extra 20% discount. In contrast, regular coupon codes only give you 10% off, which means my link gets you double the discount with the coupon code automatically applied. Here's your action plan. I've provided automatically applied coupon codes for all available countries in the description box and comment section, sorted by your country, currency, and language. Click on your country's coupon code to reach Hostinger's official website. On the right side of the navigation bar, select Self-Hosted n8n. You'll see all the available Hostinger self-hosted n8n plans right there. Choose any plan that matches your requirements. My 20% discount applies to all of them. I'm choosing the KVM2 plan myself, and you can see the 20% discount automatically applied at checkout. Always opt for the maximum duration since Hostinger doesn't provide renewal coupon codes. Critical note: use a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to secure this discount deal. Rock it with the most affordable self-hosted n8n hosting from Hostinger. Thanks, friends. Love you and love n8n.